Hey YouTubers, Gloomy Dragon here, and it's review time. And we're going to do something a little out of order here, because today we're looking at an upgrade kit for Titan's Return Leader Sixshot, even though I haven't quite reviewed Sixshot yet. His review is actually in the queue. I'm going to be looking at it in a few weeks. He's just got a couple ahead of him, namely this guy here and, well, this guy here. So we'll get to him in time. Don't worry, I won't forget him. But his review is going to be a little bit more of an effort to do than this one here, because today we're looking at the Dr. Wu upgrade kit for Sixshot, which includes 2 swords, 2 clips for said swords, some additions for the guns, and a new helmet. So it's pretty simple stuff. Just putting the guns together is easy enough. We'll just take one out, get the appropriate piece, and yeah, they can only go one way. The pieces are designed to go specifically for a certain gun. But yeah, you get a nice fuller gun with no hole in the middle, which is great for robot mode. So yeah, you can get his guns fully set up. Of course, if you don't want him to have guns, we can just store these on the back, like so. And we can just put these nice big swords in his hands. And those look pretty good. Go with that ninja motif that Sixshot tends to have nowadays. Thank you, Transformers Headmasters, for that. But yeah, nice big swords. His hands have that little slide in, so that makes posability perfect for him. If only he had wrist swivels and a waist joint, it'd be even better. But yeah, this works. And if you want to store these little clips can go right onto the backs, right onto those little pegs on the wings. We'll take these off for a sec. So clip on like that. Take the sword. There is that little bit with a kind of a molded divot in there, and just goes in like that. Nice and easy. Man, these guns they're tight. Okay, rinse and repeat like I was saying. Yeah, swords are in. Nice and easy. Pretty simple stuff. One thing I did forget about the guns, because I haven't really used it, they do have a 5mm port on the bottom, so they can plug in like that. just in case you got that one position where you need the handle piece, or you want to make the chair gun. And that actually helps it a little bit. So I'll admit that looks decent. So you have options, which is good. Options are always nice. But anyway, last but not least, the head. Now, since this thing is just on a slider joint, just pops off just like that. And you can just slide the new head in. Very easy. Well, new helmet. Because, yeah, if you open it up, it is still very hollow. So, yeah. Just one sec. Yeah, here we go. Head popped off and fell all the way to the floor, so I had to go back and get it. But, yeah. So you can see there's a bit of difference in the detailing. This one has a much larger crest on the forehead, which is big and bulky, maybe a little too much so. But yeah, this one works the same way. Just plug it in like so, get it to fully in view, and put that down. And yeah, that head looks a lot nicer, and I'm very happy with it. And since it just uses the same swivel, no changes in the articulation, this is a nice little upgrade, and I very much like it. So look forward to seeing Sixshot again in the future. Like I said, I got a few other guys in the queue before him, but he will get reviewed. You can rest assured of that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. So until then, goodbye out there, whatever you are.